Hey guys, in this video, I will teach you how to fix invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. So for some reason, some people aren't getting the collaborator option on Instagram and it's not showing up anywhere. So let's start. Go to your Instagram and click your profile down below. And you want to choose these three horizontal lines above. And simply go to settings and choose account. In here, you basically need to switch to professional account so that you can use the feature invite collaborator. Another option here is go to customer service by clicking help. And we will report out problem. In here, we're gonna raise our concerns by sending them a message. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out.